Hey, good morning guys. So today I think I'm going to be doing the hood latches, which I got in the mail yesterday. The arrow catch ones. So this is a threaded bit that's going to go into the core support. It's going to have two nuts holding it. Once again, it's adjustable height wise, just like the quick release. Hey guys, and one more quick thing before I start the video, just remember to go vote. Obviously, we're in a crazy lead. We're in like 1,500 votes ahead or something like that. So obviously, hopefully our battle will be won. I think it is 90% chance it's going to be. But also, like I said, go vote for my friend Dom. Yes, he has a lot more votes than me right now, but he's in a battle right now with this girl where they're like neck and neck. Like, I mean, she had one vote more than him yesterday. Now he's ahead by 20 votes. And today's the last final day of voting, full day, and tomorrow at 2 p.m. you can't vote. So if you guys try to vote tomorrow and it'll say you can't vote, that's probably why. Then the next round will start on Tuesday, and that'll be the final semi-finals round to get to the actual SEMA show. So hopefully we got this in the bag. Hopefully I'll get the car done, etc., etc. Yeah, so first I'm going to start off by taking all the OEM stuff, which is these bits. This is the part that clips in. This is the part that kind of locks it. And yeah, and then I was thinking of mounting them on the edges so that basically when this thing sits, they'll be kind of like that. Instead of straight, they'll be like that. And I think that'll be nice, mainly just because I want the corner fitment. The corner fitment's pretty bad of this hood, so I want that to be sucked down. I know in like Most Wanted they have it, not in Most Wanted, in 2015, there's like a screenshot and it has it like right here, two of them. And that would work too. I mean, anywhere where there's this metal that I can cut through. But also I think it would be a little bit easier to install here, because there's like backing right here, technically. So you have room to do all that crap. I believe this is actually the wire that goes from the cabin to release the hood. So I got them both in now. Obviously they're still not attached. There's still some tinkering to do with the actual latch itself, but I don't feel like doing that now because the car isn't going to be assembled for a little bit anyway. But click, open, click, open, pull. Wow, amazing. And then the good thing about these latches is apparently the fact that, well, that, you see, this one, I mean, like that one, I have to kind of make it so that it bends back, but there, now it's right. And I mean, they're still a little bit loose, but this thing is still pretty secure right now. But yeah, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and take off the hood, and just like I said, strip everything after I eat. So guys, you can see that I got the hood apart. I took off the pinstripes of the grills. You know, I punched the shit out of the plastic grills. I have a brand new set from the guy, so I will be doing a tutorial of how to install those, using old clips of me cutting the hood and everything like that. Because the guy from Russia, he did send me a pair of them. They're over there. They're brand new, so that's why I don't really care about these. And then I might be skinning the whole hood too, because it is double fiberglass layer hood. But if you take off the bottom layer, you could save a couple of pounds. I mean, it is light for a hood compared to like a metal one, but it is the same weight as like an aluminum hood anyway, which this car comes with stock. But I have hood latches, so it doesn't even matter. I can actually skin it now since it does have like a fail-safe to opening or whatever. But yeah, I'm just gonna probably just start sanding and everything. And then also a lot of you asked about the pinstripes, which obviously are the white ones that run along the paint. The ones I've been using are like super thin. They're like, I don't know, they're pretty thin. But at the paint store I found ones that are like almost like a 1/4 inch thick, or maybe even 1/2 inch. They're really thick, so basically I'll be using those, so you'll see the white stripes along the car everywhere a lot more. Like they'll pop out more. And then tomorrow I'm going to wake up at 7:30 to be at the paint shop literally when it opens at 8 a.m. so I can just buy the clear coat, and hopefully by the end of today this thing is ready to spray tomorrow. I'm just going to need to clean up the garage, blow a lot of the dust out, you know, make it a good environment to spray, and we'll see how it turns out. Hey guys, so as you just saw in the last clip, I did just skin the hood. I decided to go through it with this and all that fiberglass. I didn't do it all the way. I left these areas still have a skin, the back area, because that's where it latches to the hinges, and then the front two, you know, latches. And then before any of you purists say, which I know there's gonna be some kid or someone in the comments that says, oh, the real car didn't have hood latches. Well, there's gonna be a lot of stuff on this car that the real car didn't have, because to go racing, it's very recommended that you have latches. If you have an OEM hood, it's okay, but if you have a fiberglass or carbon hood, it's very, very recommended that you get hood pins or hood latches. And especially in the case of this hood, where it's a single skin hood, where it's literally floppy, like it's really, really floppy because it's just a single layer fiberglass to be so light. It's very, very recommended, because the OEM latch can unequip and the whole hood can smash on your windshield, as you've seen in a lot of clips, so that's why. And the car is going to have a tow hook in the front and rear, because for the racetracks it's required, because if you break, if you crash, whatever, they need for you to have latches so that you can, not latches, tow hooks, so that they can come on track, hook up to your car and tow it away. So that's why I'm doing that. I just fully sanded the thing to 220. I need to go get some 400 grit paper. Maybe I think I might do that tomorrow though, because Rachel's obviously home on the weekend, so I'd like to go to the park with her and the dog maybe, or something like that. But basically I am very ready to paint the hood. Like I said, probably tomorrow morning I'm just going to pick up the 400 grit paper, and with that I'm going to sand this hood to 400, clean it up, spray the silver, wait for it to dry, tape off the blue, and spray the blue. And that's how I'm gonna get this done. So hopefully you guys are excited for tomorrow. Hopefully you don't hate me too much, because it's funny, because the closer we get to SEMA, the more this car gets like taken apart, I swear. But it's, you know, it's all for the good of it. Sooner or later it's gonna not have doors either for paint, so whatever. So one more thing about the wheels. A lot of you ask about where are the BBS wheels. I don't own them. My friend Dom does. I'm gonna buy them off of him. He can make and will make the center lock adapters for $1,000, and I'm gonna go through with that. But the thing is, I thought that they were gonna pick up the car for the SEMA show a week before SEMA, meaning, what is that, like the 21st to the 30th ish? But turns out they're going to pick it up the 15th to the 19th, 2 weeks before. And he's in California till the 15th. And I mean, he said he could make the adapters in a week, but I don't think he's going to be able to make them in time to have it for the SEMA show. Which, I mean, it sucks, but still I think it's okay, because the wheels on it look great anyway. But, you know, once again, it was just a miscalculation, because I figured, hey, they're going to pick it up a week before, not 2 weeks before. But turns out it's going to be 2 weeks before if we win. So, I don't know, the wheels aren't looking like a go for SEMA. We have them after SEMA, don't worry about it. We'll have them maybe for racing, maybe for shows only. We'll see what happens, but I don't know, I have to talk to him more. I don't think he's going to be able to do it in a day or two. I mean, maybe he can. He's an amazing engineer, and he's incredible at what he does. If he really like works throughout the night, he might be able to, but we'll see what the likeliness of that. I don't want to rush him or push him too much. Because either way, like I said, the wheels on it right now look great in my opinion. I mean, obviously they're not the real wheels, but you know what I mean. They're still not bad looking, you know. They just look like the CSL wheels. So anyways, I'm going to end the video here for today. Thank you so much for watching. As always, you know, subscribe if this is your first video, and welcome. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for the first paint video.